Myself, Rajesh Kumar Tiwari, Principal, Blooming Birds School.
Now I'll show the infrastructure of school. Our school is situated on a national highway. This is the national highway. This is the teacher's residence from outside. This is the gate, main gate, from where the school vehicles enter. We will enter the guard room now. We are entering the guard room. Our guard is here. He will see the temperature of principal sir and now he will give the sanitizer and principal sir will sanitize his hands. So this is our visitors room. There are 2 registers. Every visitor who is entering the school campus has to enter his her name and address, mobile number, etc. so that everybody's identity is there. We are approaching the administrative building. This is our entrance area. This is our slogan, a school with a vision. It is displayed here. So now we are entering the school building. This is our assembly area. Assembly area, morning assembly, especially in the summers, we are holding here. There's one school dais. This is our slogan, knowledge is power, and the different flags. Now I'll show the houseboats. We are having 4 houses and at regular intervals they are displaying on different topics. This is the Delhi house. The next one is Cambridge House. Cambridge House. On the other side there are 2 other houses. This one is JNU House and the 4th one is Oxford House. This time the topic was festivals affected by COVID-19. The children have displayed the diagrams, the articles. Adjoining to this assembly hall, principal office is there. We are entering the principal's office. Our principal is a religious man, so he has displayed here a small temple. The models are there, and this is his chamber. He holds small meetings here in his chamber. We are again in the assembly hall now. The dais. These are the instructions. All the staff and students are advised to pay attention in discipline, in competence, in sincerity, in subordination, indecency, irregularity, irresponsibility have no place in this school. Again, one fire extinguisher is there, and the sanitizer is kept here also. The students coming with the vehicles are coming first here, and it is foot rest, and they sanitize their hands. These are the few health instructions. एसिडिटी से कैसे बचें, कैसे रहें स्वस्थ, एनीमिया से कैसे बचें. So these are the instructions and quite useful for the students. Now we are entering the other hall, which is having music room, music place. So our music teacher is there. I'll request ma'am to play, if you can play Bande Mataram, please. Very good, ma'am. You sung very well. Thank you. Now we are moving towards the sports area. This is our sports arena. This is a table tennis, table net. There are 2 rackets and 1 ball. The students play table tennis here. Then this area is containing the full cricket set. Nowadays, students are interested too much in cricket. So we are having the full cricket set and of good quality. These are the basketball, volleyball, carom is there, one small carom for the small students, and this is the standard size of carom. These are the different type of rackets, table tennis racket, then badminton rackets, and of course this one written H is the lawn tennis racket, and there are shuttlecocks, and this is the rope, skip rope, and the chess, the ludos, one TV is also there. Sometimes we show them different sport events on this TV. We are entering the biolab now. So this is our biolab. I'll start on the left side with different charts, different articles, specimens, dead specimens of dead animals, etc. is displayed here. Microscopes are there. Then these are the different charts pertaining to the biolab and biology subject. There are few models also. So this is our biolab. Now we will enter the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Principal sir is entering the chemistry lab. So these are the racks for the practicals. Students are taking the practicals here. There are different quotations pertaining to the laboratory. They like to keep the laboratory neat and clean, then be alert while in lab. So these are the quotations. We are having these basins and the water supply is there and the drainage is also there. Both are underground, so no water spillage is there. The instruments are displayed and different type of reagents, chemicals, they are here. We have fire extinguishers at different places. In chemistry lab, it was advised by the forest, this fire department to put minimum. Now we will enter the physics lab. So this is our physics lab. Different equipments and instruments are displayed here. Children of physics come here and do the practicals. Again, there are some quotes. Science says the first word on everything and the last word on nothing. A very good quotation. Then on the other side, if I have to live my life again, I would always remain in my lab for the greatest joy of my life to accomplish the original scientific work. So these are the quotations, very good quotations. Now we will move towards the administrative block. Administrative block, we are having office, the general office, or accounts office you can say. So this is the office where our accountant sits, and the sofas are there, and one office clerk sits here. So this is the office where usually the visitors come first for the different type of informations they want to take from the school. This is our librarian's table. He has placed few flower pots which are made by our students. This is our issue register, then there is a stock register, and I can see one junior English dictionary also. So our librarian is doing a good job. We are again on the first floor itself, in the lobby on the opposite side, where we will see the library, etc. So this is on the right side. There is one more toilet. On the other side, I like to show again the good quotation. To err is human, to forgive divine. The other quotation is, of course, the well-known, most popular quotation, honesty is the best policy. On the opposite wall, we have placed what are the rules and regulations for the library. Every student, every staff who is going to the library has to follow these rules and regulations. I'll proceed further. Again a quotation. If it is the mind that makes the body rich. Then there are few almirahs. They are almost full of books. Few books are there in this almirah also. Every almirah is having books. This rack is having books of maths and science, especially class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. There are few books kept on the top of this almirah. They are all full of books. I'm taking a round of this library just to show what are the books we have placed in our library. This is the language references, English as well as Hindi. So these are the, moving to the next rack. This is the computer section, internet and technology, mainly for class 1 to 8. Moving to the next. These are the story books, Hindi and English, class 1 to 3 for the small children. Very interesting books. Then this section is having books of maths and science, miscellaneous. We are entering one classroom. The board is there, green board. And we have placed the seats for the students in such a way that they can follow the social distancing or physical distancing, and sufficient number of students can sit in this classroom maintaining the physical distance. We are reaching the first floor. Before I go to biology lab, I would like to show our MI room, the medical inspection room. So this is on the left side of the stairs. This is the MI room. One staff is there who remains the whole school time. She is there, and the different first aid items are placed here. You see the IV fluids, bottles, the stethoscope, the BP instrument, and of course Sevlan, betadine, then crepe bandages, different type of tablets, thermometer, and other things. There is one bed also, and there is one drip stand. One side table for the patient is there. Somebody needs, so it can be kept here for the daycare. One doctor is visiting here weekly. Every week, one MBBS doctor visits regularly. On the first floor we will move towards the biolab. Again, there is one fire extinguisher, and the different codes are there. They are quite useful for the students. Imagination is the eye of the soul. Again, a good quote. Fame is the perfume of heroic deeds. Then again a quote, charms strike the sight but merit wins the soul. We are entering the corridor we are moving. There's one again the quote, civility costs nothing and buys everything. There is a notice board, different type of notices are displayed here. On the outer wall of the biolab, there is again one fire extinguisher and one good caption, good quotation. Veracity is the heart of morality. We are back in the assembly area. This is the part of office where computer operator sits here and works. Whatever work has to be done on the computer, along with 2 printers are there. Now we are approaching our sports ground. First of all, on my right, this is the volleyball court. Volleyball court is there. Then basketball court is there beside this volleyball court. The 2 nets are placed at their places. The front one is there. The other one is on this side. The students are playing here basketball. This is the view of our main playground in which the children play football, cricket, hockey, etc. This ground is not used presently because of COVID problems. We are again going to the ground floor. From here on the first floor we are showing this is the badminton ground where the children play badminton, the boys and girls. This is the basketball ground. The players are playing the basket. Foul. This is our kabaddi ground and few small apparatuses for the children. Again that yellow building is staff quarters. Now we will move towards the labs. We are out of the office now. Again there is one fire extinguisher. We are moving towards the toilets now. So these are the toilets, male toilets. These are the urinals. And 2 latrines are there, wash basins. Again we are out of the male toilet and this is the female toilet for ladies only. So this is the female toilet. This is the wash area. The children can wash their hands there. After that, this we have placed a water cooler fitted with the water purifier. So water purifier is there, and in summers they enjoy the cold water. We are going to the other side of lobby of the academic block, where we are having our multi-purpose hall, the auditorium, and different meetings, workshops, seminars we are doing in that. Again, there is one fire extinguisher. We have placed almost everywhere where the students are collecting and there is some crowd. So this is our auditorium hall. We are using it for the multi-purpose. There is one dais and the stage is there. So they can perform any drama, debate or cultural program in this hall. The students perform the co-curricular activities.